मैम मेरी बुक नहीं है।
Okay, we'll start solving our chapter. Okay, the first understanding the text page number, open page number everyone, 14. Open page number 14, everyone open page number 14. The first question is, mark these sentences as true or false. We have to mark these sentences as true and false. Okay? हमें true और false लिखना है. क्या सही है, क्या गलत है. Okay? चलो. First question is, Amit and Puneet were brothers. So tell me everyone, Amit and Puneet were brothers or not? True or false? What will be the answer?
True.
Very good.
True.
Very good. Very good. Right? Okay, write true. Everyone write true there. You can just write T. T for true. Write T. For the first answer, you have to write T.
Yes, sir.
Got it, everyone?
No.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Second,
ma'am.
okay. Second one is, Amit turned off the taps in the washroom. Did Amit turn the tap off in the washroom or not? It is true or false? अमित ने क्या नल बंद कर दिया था अमित ने कि खुला छोड़ दिया था?
खुला छोड़ दिया था.
वेरी गुड प्रतीक. तो क्या होगा? आंसर क्या होगा? ट्रू की फॉल्स? It will be
False.
false. Very good. Write false for, write F for false. Second will be false. Written, everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then third one is, mother gave Puneet a bucket of water. Okay. As soon as water was over on the from the tap, so who gave water to Puneet for bathing? Mother gave. Yes, now we have learned in the story. So what it will be, true or false?
True.
Very good, Akshita. Very good. Very good. Write T for true. Write T for true. Next question. There was water in the tap when Puneet went to the washroom. Now here it is telling that कि जब पुनीत वॉशरूम में गया, मतलब as soon as Amit came out and Puneet entered the washroom, क्या पानी था नल में? से क्या था पानी?
No, ma'am.
Very
No,
good.
ma'am.
Very good. Right, right, false. Right, false. Everyone write false. Very good. You are learning great. Good. Okay. Now, answer question we will solve later. Come to the next A3. What are the things that should be done to save water? Now we have to take here. What are the things we have to do to save our water? Water save करने के लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए? तो जो करेक्ट सेंटेंस होगा उस पे हम टिक करेंगे और जो रॉन्ग सेंटेंस होगा उसमें हम क्रॉस का साइन लगाएंगे. क्लियर है इतना सबको?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. चलो, पहला है, फर्स्ट वन इज, you should use water as much as is needed. So it will be ticked or false. True or false? जितना, वेरी गुड, जितना पानी आपको चाहिए उतना ही पानी आपको यूज करना चाहिए. ओके, सो पुट अ टिक मार्क देयर इन द ब्लैंक. पुट अ टिक मार्क.
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one is, when you brush your teeth, keep the tap turned on. Means अगर आप जब ब्रश कर रहे हो तो क्या आपको आपका नल खुला छोड़ देना चाहिए?
No, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, false.
Very good. Very good. Right. Cross. Do cross there. Do cross in the blank.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. Next one is you should take a quick shower. पानी सेव करने के लिए हमें क्विक शावर लेना चाहिए. True or false?
False. True.
True, na?
True.
It will be true because you have to save the water. So it will be
True.
true. Right? Tick mark. Tick mark there.
Tick, ma'am.
Yes, you have to tick there.
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
To wash the floor,
Yes.
you should use a hose and not a bucket. So, to wash the floor, you should use pipe, not the bucket. Is it true or false? आपको अगर फ्लोर वॉश करना तो आपको पाइप का यूज करना चाहिए, बकेट का नहीं. क्या होगा?
False.
False. Very good.
False.
हाँ, क्योंकि फ्लोर वॉश करने के लिए हम दोनों का यूज कर सकते हैं, है ना? So put a wrong there.
Yes, ma'am.
Put wrong there.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. You should check all the taps and valves. आप जब अपने वॉशरूम से बाहर आते हैं तो आपको सारे नल एक बार चेक कर लेने चाहिए कि वो टर्न्ड ऑफ हैं कि नहीं. True or false?
True. True. True.
True.
True.
Very good. Put tick mark there.
Ma'am. Done. Done, ma'am.
Done na? Okay. Chalo, come to page number 15. Come to page number 15. Puneet and Amit's mother tells them to check all the taps so that water does not drain. If she should have said tap, it would mean one tap. But she used tabs, which shows more than one. Now, we will see here that कि अगर हमें किसी एक चीज को बताना है, one thing we have to say, then we use, suppose we have to say, I have pencil. I have pencil means I have one
Yes, ma'am.
pencil because pencil.
Yes, ma'am.
I have one pencil. If the same sentence I write, I have
One pencil.
I have pencils. अगर मैं यहाँ पे S लगा दूं तो क्या हो जाता है? Many pencils. I have more than one pencil. Suppose आपको अगर बताना है कि आपके पास एक से ज्यादा चीज है तो आप क्या उसमें लगा देते हो? आप लगा देते हो S या फिर ES. आप लगाते हो S या फिर ES. क्लियर है?
मैम ये कॉपी में लिखना है.
नो बेटा, नो, यू हैव टू नॉट राइट. अभी आप समझो इसको, अभी मैं समझा रही हूँ आपको, है ना? अगर आपके पास कोई चीज एक से ज्यादा है तो आप उसको कैसे बताओगे? S या फिर ES लगा. ठीक है? हाँ. सपोज ऑरेंज है. नाउ यू हैव टू सी दैट वेयर यू हैव टू पुट S और ES, है ना? S और ES आपको कहाँ लगाना है ये भी आपको देखना है ना? सपोज कार इज देयर, तो कार का क्या हो जाएगा? व्हाट वी कैन राइट फॉर कार? I have to say that I have many.
Car.
Very good.
Ma'am, car.
Very good. What will be the spelling? What will be the spelling? Say the spelling.
CARS.
Very good.
CAR.
Very good, Akshita. Okay. Now suppose I say that I have orange. Now what will be the answer for
Yes,
this?
ma'am.
हाँ, so spelling. Say the spelling.
ORANGE.
ORAGE.
हाँ, say it again.
ORAGE.
हाँ, ORANGES. हाँ,
ANGES.
very good. So it will be changed into oranges. है ना? अगर आपको एक से ज्यादा चीजें बतानी है तो आप क्या लगाओगे? What you will put behind the
S या ES.
वेरी गुड अक्षिता, वेरी गुड प्रकृति. हाँ, ओके. तो क्या लगाएंगे आप लोग? एस या फिर ES लगाएंगे अगर आपको मेनी थिंग्स बतानी है तो. क्लियर है इतना सबको?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If one thing is there, we will call it as what we will call. अगर हमारे पास one thing है तो हम उसको बुलाएंगे क्या? सिंगुलर. क्या बोलेंगे हम उसको?
Singular.
Singular.
सिंगुलर बोलेंगे because I have one thing.
Singular.
है ना? One thing denotes what? Singular. What?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if I
Singular.
have many things, it will be what? Plural. What it will be? Plural.
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 If we have many things, it will
Plural.
be plural. Clear to everyone? Okay. Come to the next page.
Okay, ma'am.
Page number 16.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Change the singular noun to plural nouns by adding S or ES. Now here we have to add S or ES. Clear? So first is book. First is book. So what will be the answer? Wait, I will ask to whom I will tell, they will answer. Okay. Now Pratiti will tell. What will be the answer, Pratiti?
Books.
Spelling bolo beta.
BOOKES.
ES not, only S. Only S. Okay, books hai. Only S you will use. Clear? Write the answer. Write everyone the answer. For the book, it will be book. Now the next one is chair. Next one is chair. Rachit, what will be the answer of this beta? Rachit, for the chair, what will be the answer?
Yes.
Very good. Tell the spelling beta. Tell the spelling beta.
CH.
Okay. Okay. CHAI.
Área certo?
R. S. Okay. It will be chairs. Clear to everyone? It will be chairs. Okay. So now the next one is table. What will be the answer?
Table.
Yes, tell the spelling. Okay, tell the spelling, Srishti.
TADLE.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Very good. S. Okay. Now next one is church. Everybody is writing or not?
Church.
So everybody is writing. Ayushman.
बोलो.
Okay. Praditi, what will be the answer of this?
Church.
Church. Then spell the spelling, beta. Spell.
CHURCHS.
Yes. ES. Yes. ES. Okay. CHURCHES. Churches. Write it, everyone.
Yes.
Next one is dish, and the answer will be dishes. Right?
Dishes.
Yes. Next, last is peach. The answer will be peaches.
Yes.
Akshita,
What
written
Yes, ma'am.
beta? Answer you have written?
मैम डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था
बेटा लिख लो अभी आप लिख लो पेज नंबर 16 Pratiti written
एक साथ पूरा देख के लिखो।
Pratiti written बेटा
यस मैम
okay
मैम
okay Srishti written
Yes, ma'am.
written the answers
The answer is
no you have written this you have written
लिख ले मैडम पूछ रहे हैं लिख ले
yes, ma'am.
okay आयुष्मान आपने लिखा कंप्लीट कर लिया बुक में ये फिल कर लिया
लिखो लिखो चल
okay we will see now D2 नीचे उसके just down there you will see read these sentences note the highlighted words and write their opposite now the words which are written in green we have to write their opposite word okay we have to write the opposite word like for the noise it will be silent मतलब हल्ला हो रहा है शांति है so this is the opposite so we will write today the opposite word. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the first one is Amit did not turn off the taps and all the water was gone. ठीक है अमित ने क्या किया water को turn off नहीं किया so off is the word and the opposite word for this will be on right ऑफ को अंडरलाइन करो सब लोग ऑफ को अपनी बुक में अंडरलाइन करो जो ग्रीन वर्ड से लिखा हुआ है और उसके ऊपर लिखो ऑन उसके ऊपर पे लिखना ऑन हाँ लिखो ऑन
लिखो
On.
ओके रचित किया आपने बेटा
यस मैम
ओके चलो लिखो हाँ so next one is Molly told me to save water because it is precious है ना तो save को अंडरलाइन करो सभी लोग save को अंडरलाइन करो
सेव को
save को अंडरलाइन करो और उसके ऊपर लिखो waste उसके ऊपर सेव को अंडरलाइन करके उसके ऊपर वेस्ट लिखो वेस्ट WASTE सेकंड वाला है सेकंड आंसर है ये डन
यस मैम
Okay. Mr. Sharma got angry as he could not find his phone. है ना? So angry is the word. Okay. And for the opposite, the word will be for the angry. It will be happy. Right? Happy.
हो गया
Okay. Now the last one is mom bought ripe mangoes from the market. है ना? Ripe को अंडरलाइन करो सभी लोग. राइप को अंडरलाइन करो और उसका आंसर होगा रॉ. रॉ RAW रॉ.
मैम RAW.
यस बेटा.
डन मैम.
ओके अक्षिता. अंजलि एंड आराधना. अंजलि एंड आराधना आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा बेटा?
मैम
यस.
ये उसकी स्पेलिंग क्या होगी?
किसकी बेटा?
रॉन्ग की.
Wrong, not raw. See in the screen I have written RAW. On the screen you can see ना? Screen दिख रही है ना आपको?
E
हाँ, वही स्पेलिंग लिखनी है.
मैम कॉपी में लिखनी है.
Oh, this word will be there in the book only. Question and answer.
मैम कॉपी में लिखनी है.
No, लक्ष्मी. लक्ष्मी आपके पास बुक नहीं है ना?
ये
तो
है.
कॉपी में लिखना.
ये देखो.
Okay, we'll move to the next one. C1. Puneet and Amit did not know why water was not coming in the tap. ठीक है, पुनीत और अमित को नहीं पता कि वाटर क्यों नहीं आ रहा था टैप से. So they called their mother. The word they and there are used to talk about more than one person without repeating their name. Okay? बार बार हमको नाम का यूज ना करना पड़े तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं? they and there. Like we can say that Pratiti, Akshita, Ayushman, Shrishti, Lakshmi, Anjali, Aradhana and Rachit are going to school. ठीक है? Are going to school. मैंने बताया कि ये सभी लोग स्कूल जा रहे हैं. Now again I cannot take your name now because it is too long. It will take the time. So we can use instead of that कि they are going to school. They में आप सब include हो जाओगे. है ना? Instead of that we can use they are going to school. Clear है इतना? So
Yes.
हाँ, हमें नाम यूज ना करना पड़े उस जगह पे हम दे यूज कर लेते हैं. है ना? For saving our time so that we can tell it. है ना? चलो अभी इधर आ जाओ. पेज नंबर 17 पे आ जाओ. Okay, everyone, page number 17.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now fill in the pronouns him, her, and then correctly in the story. Now we have to. Everybody have written this. Can I delete it? जो स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है सब लोगों ने लिख लिया क्या? मैं इसको डिलीट कर दूं? लक्ष्मी लिख रही है.
मैंने नहीं लिखा भी.
अच्छा, क्या नहीं लिखा बेटा? कहाँ पे नहीं लिखा है?
Okay.
Okay. Now, one day, Mullah fight with his wife. He shouted at dash. Now, Mullah क्या किया है? He has fighted with his wife, है ना? So wife. So wife is what? Female ना? And for the female, what we use? Did you know what for the female? For the girl, what? She. Very good. हाँ, she will use. Now here we will what use? We can also use the pronoun her or him. Her is used for female and him is used for male. Okay? Her we use with the female. लड़कियों के साथ या फिर मेल के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? For girls also we use her. Okay, and for the
her
Him we use for male and boys. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will do then you write here, he shouted at her. Answer will be her. Write her. In the blank, write her.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So much that she became very angry with him. Write him in the next blank.
आर है आर है आर लिखना है। ओके
Him in the next blank.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. She ran to a neighbor's house. Mullah followed her. As Mullah and his wife fought, the neighbors tried to calm them. Okay, we cannot use again and again wife and husband, so we will use them. They served them with tea and sweet.
Appa.
Done this much?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Don't be confused, huh? I'm writing the number. You can just write it, huh? Don't be confused, anyone. Okay, fifth one is then. Then later, Mullah and his wife went home, but they soon started fighting again. As Mullah's wife ran out of the house, Mullah ran behind her. Write her for the sixth blank. Don't go to them. Don't go to them. He shouted, pointing at the neighbor's house. मतलब वो point कर रहा था कि आप neighbor के घर पे मत जाओ. Go to the baker's house. I know them. Right, last will be them. He will give you us tasty cakes to be quiet. Akshita, written beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Written, na? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in this way the copy work is book work is completed. Now you will do what? You will take your copy, ठीक है? अच्छे से डेट डालना, ठीक है? डेट एंड डे डालना, टॉपिक डालना, हेडिंग जो हमारे चैप्टर की है, एंड देन सेविंग वाटर. सुनते ही आपके दिमाग में जो पिक्चर आएगी, सेविंग वाटर मतलब कोई भी पिक्चर आप वाटर कैसे सेव कर सकते हैं वो आप अपने फर्स्ट पेज पे ड्रॉ करोगे. ओके, सेविंग वाटर. हाँ, सेविंग वाटर को सुनते ही आपके दिमाग में जो भी पहली ड्राइंग आएगी आप उसको अपने कॉपी पे ड्रॉ करोगे फर्स्ट पेज पे. क्लियर है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, और फिर नेक्स्ट पेज पे क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स लिखोगे. क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स मैं पोस्ट कर दूंगी ग्रुप में और उसी को देख के आपको कॉपी करना है. क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स क्लियर है? हाँ, नाउ
Yes, ma'am.
ओपन पेज नंबर 18. Now here E1 it is said right ahead के down पे देखना. Write a strong and meaningful slogan for a save water. Campaign and make a creative poster on the next page. You can use different colors to write and draw. Paper cutouts can be pasted on the poster. Here example of slogan. If you save water, water will save you. Now you have to do what? ये वाला जो पेज है ना, ये वाले पेज पे आप स्लोगन लिखोगे. कोई भी स्लोगन वाटर से रिलेटेड जिससे वाटर सेव हो सके, वो स्लोगन आप इस पेज पे लिखोगे. बाकी जो ड्राइंग है वो आप कॉपी पे बना रहे हो तो बुक में नो नीडेड है, नहीं बनाना है बुक में ड्राइंग. डायरेक्ट आप इस पेज पे सिर्फ स्लोगन लिखोगे लाइक दिस, दैट इफ यू सेव वाटर, वाटर विल सेव यू. जैसा ये स्लोगन लिखा हुआ है ऐसा ही मिलता जुलता जो आपको आए वो आप इस पेज पे लिखोगे एज योर होमवर्क. क्लियर टू एवरीवन? हाँ, so this all things you will do and post it in the group. Write a good slogan, okay, and the page and post it in the group. Clear है इतना सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, so we will end now for today. This much only. Have a very wonderful day, class. Take care. Thank you, class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day, beta. Good day, beta.
Good day, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Good day, beta. Good day, Akshita.
Ma'am, good day.